Have you ever wanted to learn how to draw a star? Well, just watch this video and copy what we do. We start with a sort of triangle and then one going out to each side. Now we're going to do two more at a sort of diagonal angle. We're not doing very pointy tips, we're keeping ours a little bit curvy, but of course it's entirely up to you. Now we can do a face in the middle, why not? So two eyes, that's easy, just draw two circles. And little circles within those circles to make the pupil and a little shine. Colouring in the pupils black. Now we can do a little mouth. Let's thicken up our black border. Wow, that's one happy looking star. Excellent. Now we're colouring it in yellow, taking care to stay in between the black lines. Carefully going around those facial features. I don't know about you, but I like to do the edges first sometimes, because that's the hard bit, to stay in between the lines, and then it's easy to just colour in the middle part. So do the tricky bits first, there's a little tip for you. That's it. You see, we're using a very thin tipped pen, because then we're less likely to be colouring bits that we shouldn't be colouring. There you go. Side to side, diagonal, big strokes, because you get to fill more space in less time then. You can do your star any colour you like. We're keeping it simple and doing it yellow, but if you want, you could do it gold. If you have a gold pen, that would be cool, wouldn't it? You could even put some glitter on it, make it sparkly. There you go! Fantastic! Let's give it a little bit of a glow. So we're carefully going around the outside of the border this time, not the inside, the outside, with a paler yellow pen. This makes the star look like it's glowing bright. You see the trick it plays on your eyes? Wow, that is fantastic. Here's a quick star fact I bet you didn't know. Stars are actually round! That's right, they're circled. They just look like star shapes to us because of their glow. Keep going, you're almost there. Doing a great job. Just the last part now. There we go. And we're done! Well done! You have a star. Hey kids, guess what we're going to do today? We are going to learn how to draw a dinosaur. Just look at these curvy lines. Pause the video and copy it a bit at a time. Here we're doing the legs and the feet. And finishing off the tail. Some facial features. An eye, a smile, and some spikes. Some of them can be triangles and some of them can be half a hexagon. Do you know what shape a hexagon is? It has 6 sides. And some spots, which are kind of oval shaped. Thickening up the black border. Ooh, we love it. It's going to look great when it's all coloured in. Some toes. Now time to colour in. We're doing a lovely green colour. It's almost a kind of lime green. We're using a nice fine-tipped colouring pen. You can, of course, paint, use crayons or pencils, whatever you like. What a great colour. Do you know about different types of dinosaurs? You do? Which one's your favourite? I love the Stegosaurus. Ooh, and the T-Rex. This looks like a very friendly dinosaur, doesn't it? What should we call her? How about Greenie? No. Okay, what about Samantha. No, that doesn't sound very dinosaur-like, does it? Okay, how about Gloria? How about I let you think of a name? So we're doing dark green for the spots. And now we're colouring in every other spike yellow. And orange in between. Orange and yellow. Ooh, lovely citrus colours. It's a very citrusy dinosaur. Oranges and lemons at the bells of St. Clements, doing the toes yellow. And it's as easy as that. Well done. Hi! Today we're going to learn how to draw stairs. So we do these 2 lines and then a zigzag pattern joining them up. Now we do some long straight lines going across to make our steps. And by keeping it all diagonal like this, we're creating a kind of optical illusion, so it looks like steps that are kind of sticking out at you. So purple for the end. We're using a lovely sparkly paint. And now we're going to do each step a different colour. That will create dimension and really make it look like a step that's sticking right out at you. Blue. If you wanted to, you could choose a colour pattern and just stick to a repeated pattern of 2 or 3 colours, but we like to use a different colour for each step. So we've gone for orange. Now green. So to create this stairs effect, you've got to draw almost like a right angle, but diagonal, sort of slanting downwards towards one corner. And if you keep the whole picture on a diagonal tilt like that, it gives this fantastic illusion. Yellow. Pink. Now let's go for a different shade of blue. 3 different shades of blue in this picture. Brilliant. And now we're going for red. We haven't done red yet. What colour shall we do the top of the stairs? Any guesses? How about emerald green? And there you have it. Beautiful, colourful stairs.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!